So here it is guys, the OnePlus 10 Pro final finish launching next year. Here again this is sorta hideous but uniquely cool looking design. Now what you are seeing right now is metallic models which are used by case makers in the production of cases for upcoming smartphones. So yes, this is the final design of OnePlus next flagship courtesy X leaks and Phantom bracelets, and the highlight of this device is indeed that Squarish camera module connected to the frame of device. On front we have a curved display which again is subtle like the OnePlus 9 Pro. Here's the comparison of OnePlus 10 Pro versus OnePlus 9 Pro design and finish. You guys can see 10 Pro looks more wide and has less curve in the corner of device. The back finish of course has a massive difference and that thing is cool. Samsung S21 Ultra versus OnePlus 10 Pro, and that is what I am talking about. The corner curve matches S21 Ultra, sorta boxy you can say. Here not to mention Samsung is ditching that design in favor of Galaxy Note like full rectangular finish, and OnePlus is now adapting this wider design. The alert slider is there which makes it a OnePlus C port to the bottom and speakers as well. Some massive leaks coming in about the camera specifications from DCS. He says OnePlus 10 Pro will likely stick to same 3.3x zoom telephoto lens which contradicts the 5x telephoto periscope lens rumor. This, if true, is a disappointing news cause right now Pixel 6 Pro, Samsung S21 and Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, yes, all last gen devices can take better telephoto shots than OnePlus 9 Pro. Chat Station in a reply say OnePlus is not even using high resolution sensor. So again a bad news if true, but cannot say now cause we are a month away from the official launch. The OnePlus 10 series will be powerful thanks to Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU. The naming is now official. Qualcomm says Snapdragon is a different brand now. They won't have 5G in the naming scheme as it's now like in all CPUs. So it's common, 5G is common now. And the hottest part is flagship CPU will have gold icon or color. Here can be seen in this teaser, Qualcomm is now all set to launch 8 Gen 1 CPU this month in a few days. And there we'll see OnePlus and Motorola, Xiaomi confirming their next gen devices. The icing on cake is Adreno 730 GPU which is like so powerful, and of course Unified OS which is the main focus of Oppo and OnePlus. Both these brands are working on this OS, so I'm excited for this for sure. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.